very cheerful morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Yogasai of class 7. Along with my team, welcome you all to the pleasant morning assembly.
Every morning is a new opportunity to do things you missed yesterday.
Let us start a wonderful day by some warm-up session. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. I repeat, learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Albert Einstein is a famous thinker. Once said that a person who learns a word every day is smarter and wise than the rest.
Amity, friendship or peaceful harmony. We live in amity with our neighbors.
Incredible, impossible or very difficult to believe. Example, I cannot get over how incredible the human world is.
Strive, it means to make your best effort to do something. Example, I strive to walk little further every day on my morning walk.
Today's international news. WHO calls for vaccinating at least 10% of population of each country by September to control COVID.
Indian Railways opens first movable freshwater tunnel aquarium at Bengaluru station.
National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will speak to Tokyo-born Indian athletes virtually on July 13th.
Delhi recorded its highest maximum temperature of the year on Wednesday.
Sports news. Weightlifter Mirabai wins silver in 49 kg event. India's first medal at Tokyo Olympics.
Coding classes begin from 19th July for grades 1 to 8. Pre-primary had their art competition on the occasion of Independence Day on 24th July.
Today, the topic of our morning assembly is Malala Day.
On July 12, 2013, Malala Yousafzai, a 16-year-old girl engaged in the promotion of women's education, delivered an impassioned speech at the United Nations headquarters on the needs of gender equality in education.
July 26th is observed as Kargil Diwas in memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives in the Kargil war.
Today's topic for the day is Doctors Day. Doctors on the earth are like gods in heaven.
World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July to raise awareness about protecting the natural resources and to make people understand the importance of the conservation of nature.
National Tiger Day was established in 2010 at St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia to raise awareness about the drop of wild tiger numbers.
Stay healthy and be kind. We promise you to meet again with a new thought and thinking and better performances. Thank you and have a nice day.